Hi, 8th graders. I am here today with a lesson on just what to expect for the week, as well as going over the other 5 vocabulary words for the assessment on Friday. So what's expected this week? I'm changing things up a little bit just to try and lighten the load for you, as well as just to try and not have you doing so many check-ins with me and just having assignments due on different days as your check-in. So to start, the book club book should be read every day, Monday through Friday, with the allotted pages that you set as a goal for your club. So each day, please remember to read your book as kind of your focus on your book club. Secondly, your book club journal entries. So you will have 3 entries this week. One I will send on Monday, one I will send on Tuesday, and one I will send on Wednesday. I'll just keep adding to the assignment that I have online for the book club journal entries for this week. So it's week 3, book number 2. So you'll have a question on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then that will be due this week, Thursday, April 2nd. So that should be a little bit less, 2 questions less. That will be helpful. The focus this week is really looking and comparing and contrasting your 2 books with any changes that have happened over the course of the 2 books. So right now I have you focused on the characters and what has changed in the characters, what has stayed the same in the characters from the last book to this book, what motivations and pressures have encouraged those changes or maybe those similarities to continue. So that is the focus for this week, specifically Monday's question. For your journal entries, your reflective journal entries, where we're documenting what we've been going through with the pandemic, I would like you to do 3 entries this week, one on Monday, one on Tuesday, and one on Wednesday, and those will be due on Wednesday. Please continue to do a Google document and then submit that on that specific assignment, your reflective journal entry, on Wednesday. So this week you read Monday through Friday. You have 3 reflective journal entries due Wednesday, 3 book club journal entries due Thursday, and then your vocabulary sentences on Friday. So that will be what we focus on for this week. I do like doing the discussion board with you guys, but I will pause that for this week and we will do something with that next week, just so that you don't have too much on your plate this week. If you have any questions over the course of the week, please just message me and ask those questions. I would like to help you in any way I can, and I hope that the answers I'm giving are clear, but please keep asking the questions until you have the clarity you need in what is expected of you. So the next thing we're going to focus on is our vocabulary words. So I'm going to go over the next 5 that we have, and then that will be it for this last 2 weeks of vocabulary words. So number 6 on our list is excursion, and it's a short journey or trip, especially one engaged in as a leisure activity. So it's something that's not a usual thing that you would do. It's something different, an excursion. Pliable is easily bent. It's a kind of material that could be bent easily, like maybe some of those rulers that are bendable, that would be considered pliable. Premature is occurring or done before the usual or proper time. It's too early. When you think of a baby that's premature, that means that they're born before they should have been born. And nowadays, many babies are premature but are able to survive because of modern medicine. So premature is something happening before it should. That doesn't necessarily have to mean a premature baby. It could be a premature activity or something that just happens before it should. Idly is with no particular purpose, reason, or foundation, kind of inactive or lazy. So if there's idle time, that means that you just don't have anything to do. So if you are acting in an idly, then that would be that you just don't have any time with anything scheduled, and so that's free time that you don't know what to do with it. Might be kind of apropos for this experience of being at home. But hopefully we are keeping you guys busy with homework and schoolwork, but not too busy. The last one is indiscretion. It's a behavior or speech that is indiscreet or displays a lack of good judgment. So indiscretion. So if you say something with indiscretion, you're not thinking through what you're saying before you say it. So if you have any questions on these vocabulary words, please send me a message. You can email me or you can send a message on that assignment. So if you go to the vocabulary words for week 12, it's the 12th week of our vocabulary, and you write a Google Doc and attach it to that assignment, that will be how you turn in your vocabulary assessment. So not like a quiz as much as you're writing the sentences and showing me that you know what they mean. Each sentence will be worth 2 points, so this will still be out of 20. And when you write those sentences, just make sure that you are clear in what the word means in the sentence so that I can understand that you know the meaning of the word. If you guys have any questions, let me know about any of the stuff we talked about. Hopefully everything is clear. You do not need to check in every day with me this week. You just need to turn in the assignments on the days they're due. So I should be receiving your journal entries on Wednesday, your book club entries on Thursday, and your vocabulary words on Friday. I will be sending a message every day with information and a daily checklist just to remind you of what you should be working on, as well as just adding those questions each day for the journal entry and the book club entries. I hope you guys are doing well. I've been thinking about you. I appreciate all the hard work and effort you're putting into this e-learning. I see a lot of great responses from you guys, and I really appreciate the work effort and you guys trying your best to make the best of this situation. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying time with your families and doing some fun things with them. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.